is Daniel Boswell. Thank you so much for your interest in the No Paycheck Needed system of income. And I'd just like to tell you a little bit about the system. But before I do that, I'd like to give you a little bit of background. So, if you read on the previous page that I am a web designer, I've been a web designer for close to 12 years now. And one of the things that I discovered towards the of the last 2 years is affiliate marketing. And so affiliate marketing has become an important part of what I do. Um, and you may have noticed that, I'm wearing a Sonic the Hedgehog shirt and maybe some stuff in the background, some classic video game stuff, dorky things. Maybe you're looking at me like, man, this guy's a big geek. Well, I am a geek, and I'm not ashamed of that. So, I love, as a hobby, I love playing games, especially classic games. And there's, in relation to affiliate marketing, there's a bigger reason. As I have spent time thinking about my what it is I like, why I like the things. I was thinking a comparison of how classic gaming and affiliate marketing are very similar. And that is that classic games require a lot of skill. Like when I was growing up playing games, you just couldn't pick up a game and be good at it. It took a lot of time. It took a lot of practice, took a lot of failures in order to be good at it. In fact, there's a whole community of people known as speedrunners that they go through these classic games and they're setting world records. So they are going through and continually finding new ways to get faster at completing the game from beginning to end. And so, as I have started getting into that myself, it's kind of helped me realize that in the same way, affiliate marketing is a similar kind of journey. You can't just jump into it and succeed. It takes time, it takes work, it takes money, it takes failing, and these are some of the things that just have to typically happen if you're just jumping into affiliate marketing for the first time. But kind of like these speed runners, a lot of them have discovered little tricks and little shortcuts. They call them skips a lot of times. And so what will end up happening is they'll be able to jump through a portion of a game that saves them a bunch of time, which cuts down on how fast, the amount of time it spends to get through the whole game. And there's some people who've discovered, so there's some games like 20-year-old games that people just this year have discovered new things about it, new ways to get through a section. So you would think that as much as people have played it, these games, they would have figured everything out, but there's still new things to discover, and there are probably still more things to discover. And in a similar way, the no paycheck needed system of income, that's kind of become my skip, my shortcut to affiliate marketing, based on the 2 years that I've spent investing and learning. And in that course of time, I've made over $25,000, and that's not some gigantic number. I'm not some $100,000 my first year in affiliate marketing. The majority of people never even make a single dollar doing affiliate marketing. So I feel pretty proud about what I have achieved, and I'm continuing to gain momentum. And the system, as I put it together, as I've continued to improve it, as I've continued to grow it, continues to work for me and continues to make me more money. So, with that, I just want to tell you a little bit about what it is. So the system is built on a product. So there are like 4 core components of the system of income. It's having a product to promote that will create recurring income, a funnel that captures leads to be able to actually get them on an email list and be able to promote the product. Then there's a particular strategy for promoting, driving traffic to the funnel. And then there is a follow-up sequence that continues to communicate, continues to provide value after people have signed up. So the product for the No Paycheck Needed system of income is a product called Builderall. And Builderall has a great affiliate program. And especially it's great for beginning people. One of the best things about it is that they actually pay out 100% of the first sale within 5 days. So if you make a sale in 5 days, that money will become available for you to either get a check or PayPal. PayPal is preferable, so you get it faster. And then each additional month, as that person, after they've signed up, they stay with it, you'll end up getting 30% of that. So that becomes the recurring portion of it. So, I mean, this is fantastic because there's so many affiliate programs. You have to wait 30 to 45 days before you even get your first commission. For myself, my first real commissions took about 45 days with a different program. And it was like torture because I knew the money was coming, but there was like this dread of like every day I'm looking, every day I'm waiting. And finally, when it came, it was one of the greatest days for me. It was about $475 for one of my first real commissions. And so since that time, like I said, I've generated close to a little over $25,000. And using this system as well, as you saw on the previous page, a gentleman named Mike Caldwell, also he within 8 months, he was able to use Builderall and generate over $25,000 for himself, and now he brings in 600 or more dollars a week, which is about the average that the average American worker makes working 40 hours a week, and he's just bringing that in. Now I'm not quite to that level, but with the system, I'm getting closer and closer every day. So what makes the system work is that not only do you get the 100% and the 30%, but every person that buys underneath you into the affiliate part of Builderall, you will, starting at month 2, they'll get the 100% the first month. Then on month 2, they'll get 30%, and then you'll also get 30%. And that gives you leverage because as they're making sales, you're bringing in money without having to do any additional work. And so you are actually having the opportunity to potentially double or triple what you make each month without having to be selling it because someone else is already doing the selling. And this whole system is designed to get people on board with this program. Builderall has other plans. They have cheaper plans, but you can't promote or make money with Builderall unless you are signed up for what they call the Builderall Business Plan. So if this is exciting to you, there is a cost. It's going to be $49.90 a month, and which compared to other systems, if you're thinking, man, that's expensive, that's just too much. Let's talk about some other potential alternatives people use to make money. Let's take, for instance, MLMs. Well, MLMs, you probably know somebody who's with an MLM. For instance, my wife, she was going to join up for one of the most expensive MLMs there is, and that's LuLaRoe, was selling these clothes for women. And just to get in the door to be a consultant was $5,000. And it ends up turning out that a lot of these people that started LuLaRoe, basically they lost their money. They never made their money back. They never earned enough. In fact, the FTC published a report called The Case for and Against Multi-Level Marketing. And they said that compared to small businesses, less than 1% of MLM participants actually profit. They even say, that gambling, it looks like a safer bet in comparison. That's crazy. But how many people do you know that are trying an MLM, whether it's a health MLM or it's the clothing thing like LuLaRoe? I know for myself, I'm glad that we didn't make that investment because it sounded really good. But at the end of the day, it was a waste. And then let's talk about gambling. So, how much possibly have you spent on lottery tickets? I don't really buy lottery tickets, but that a study was done, and they took when they took all the lottery tickets that were spent and divided it by how many citizens are in America, the average person would spend $206.69 per year on lotto tickets. Now that's I mean that's the average. I mean there's people spending a lot more. They're throwing their money away trying to make this work for them, trying to get that magic ticket. You know, like Charlie and the Chocolate Factory, that golden ticket, whatever, that's going to bring them the wealth they think they think they can get through that. And you know, people are spending money more on that than they are books, games, tickets to movies, or even sporting events combined. That's more money is spent on the lotto than that. I mean, think about it. And for yourself, I mean, have you bought a Powerball ticket? Have you bought a $5 scratcher? You know, have you ever won anything? A couple times that, you know, I attempted, I didn't really win anything. You know, I think I won like $10 once. Um, but you know, it's a real gamble. So you know, when you invest today in Builderall, not only am I going to give you my system, with the funnel. And all you're going to have to do is just basically take your affiliate links and plug it in. If you want to customize it, you're welcome to, but why not leverage the work that I've already done instead of you trying to figure it out? You don't have to worry about that. Just go in. I'm going to show you where you change your links out at, and then uh, will send traffic to your funnel. And when people buy, they'll buy from you. Um, so it's pretty simple. I've tried to make it easy. But like I said, there is work involved. You're going to have to work on setting it up. Um, but it's not hard. Within an hour, you can be up and ready to go. So you know, it's I try to make it as easy as possible. But not only do you get the system, I'm also going to give you a guarantee, and that is that I'm so confident that you will be able to sell Builderall using my system, that you know, versus like going out and spending money on the lotto. That when you invest the $49 a month in Builderall, um, that within the first 4 months, I'm going to guarantee that you're going to at least make $206.69, which is the average cost of what people spend on the lotto each year. And I believe that you'll actually be able to make more than this, but I'm guaranteeing at least that much. However, if you don't make that much, then I'm going to personally refund you your entire investment in Builderall. So either way, you're going to win. You're not gonna. It's not going to be a gamble for you. You're going to win because if you don't make the money, but you have, you know, there's going to be some proof. You're going to have to show me that you did set your system up, that you did try to send traffic to it, that you did have people signing up and stuff like that. You're going to have to show me that. But you know, once you show me that, I'll gladly send you your money back for the full refund of Builderall. And at that point, if you want to cancel Builderall, that's fine too. But you know, the thing is, I want to also stress is that there is a mindset shift. You are going to have to think differently because we're trained. I said this on the previous page, but if you skip through it, you may not have caught it. But we're conditioned to think the only way to make money is to work the 40 hours a week at a company to collect a paycheck. And you know, when you change the way you're earning money, it's a brand new experience, like just like the gaming thing. You're a learning experience. And I've tried to do my best to help curb the how much you have to learn, but there's still going to be some challenges there, and that's just part of it. Whenever you start something new, that's how it is. And so, but you know, I'm here as well, to answer questions, to help you out. The other people who have been signing up, you know, I give them access to me through my personal email. They send me an email, and I'm quick to respond. I'm not going to just leave you out there hanging. I'm going to give you the best advice I can. I'm going to give you the best help I can. Um, as I want to see you succeed. I believe you can succeed. I've succeeded, and I'm continuing to succeed, and I believe you will too. So if this all sounds good to you, then there's a couple buttons on this page to complete. This is the first step, which is to sign up for Builderall. So you need to go ahead and sign up. You need to go ahead and pay the $49.90 to Builderall. And once that happens, then I'm going to give you access to the training, and I'm going to give you access to the funnel to be able to go in and uh, put in your own links and get started. So again, thank you so much. I know it's a little bit of a long video. There's a lot to cover, and hopefully you will uh, be able to see the true value of this system and how it's going to help you to be able to get through and start with a good foundation in affiliate marketing, so you can start making the money you need and be able to get to a place where you could be making $500-600 a week without having to work for it anymore. The work is done, you put in the work, now you're reaping the benefits of it. And that's the great thing about affiliate marketing and the recurring income, is that once it's done, you're able to, you know, actually live off of it. And I can tell you for myself how many times affiliate payment came in and saved my butt when I needed a bill paid and I couldn't get client work, or wanted to have some extra money to do something like go out to dinner with my family. Affiliate marketing came through for me, and I was able to do those things because I have worked and put in and developed ways to do it, and the system is that culmination of all of that. So again, thank you so much for watching this, and I look forward to seeing you, hearing from you, seeing you as one of my affiliates, and I appreciate it. Thank you.